Looking for low-calorie snacks that actually satisfy? Here are 5 ideas packed with flavor, color, and a little protein boost to help keep you going. First up, a snack box. Start by making a quick yogurt dip. Just Greek yogurt, salt, garlic powder, and fresh chopped dill. Add that to your bento box, then layer in carrots, cucumber slices, cherry tomatoes, fresh strawberries, some rice chips, and a couple rolled up slices of deli turkey. It's simple, colorful, and has 17 grams of protein for just 180 calories. Next up, crispy mozzarella sticks made with just 2 main ingredients. Start by cutting 2 string cheeses in half to make 4 pieces. Place each one in a wonton wrapper, roll it up tightly like a burrito, and seal the edges with a bit of water. Lightly spray them with cooking oil, then air fry at 375 Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 minutes until golden and crisp. Once they're done, garnish with a little Italian seasoning and serve warm with marinara sauce for dipping. 2 sticks are 163 calories and give you 11 grams of protein. Quick, comforting, and so simple. For something sweet, tangy, and surprisingly satisfying, these sour fruit roll-ups. Start with a sheet of fruit leather and slice it into 3 long strips. Spread a thin layer of pomegranate molasses across each one, then sprinkle on some fresh pomegranate seeds, roll them up tightly, then drizzle with more pomegranate molasses and sprinkle with extra pomegranate seeds on top. Pop them in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes to chill. They'll firm up into the perfect chewy texture. Every bite is bright, sour, and seriously mouthwatering. Next up, crispy, savory edamame, quick to make and full of plant-based protein. Start with thawed shelled edamame, toss with olive oil, garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, and chili flakes if you want a little bit of heat. Spread them out on your air fryer basket and cook at 375 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, shaking halfway through. Once they're golden and crunchy, let them cool slightly before serving. You can snack on it solo or toss it over a salad for extra texture. And finally, smashed broccoli chips. Start by boiling broccoli florets for about 5 minutes just until tender. Drain and let them cool slightly. Sprinkle a parchment-lined baking sheet with a layer of grated Parmesan, then start placing your broccoli florets on top. Gently smash them flat with the back of a spoon or a cup, just enough to spread them out without breaking them apart. Mix together olive oil, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Then drizzle that right over the top. Bake at 425 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes until they're golden, crispy, and full of savory flavor. They're just 137 calories and 8 grams of protein per serving. So whether you're planning ahead or just need something quick in the moment, these low-calorie snacks make it simple to mix things up and still feel satisfied. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow Noom for more easy recipes.